In this lecture, we are going to learn about grep command. What is grep? Whenever you have a big file and from that file you want to see some content based on the filter condition, that time you can use grep command. Let me take one example. So I have a file cat cut.csv. This is a file. So you can see that there are 3 rows are there. There are 3 lines are there. What I want to open this file wherever the number is 34. The number is 34. I want to open that file wherever the number is 34. So what I'm doing, cat cut.csv. I want to read only the line which is having number 34. So I'll say grep 34. So you can see that when we use the cat command, all the lines are opening, like everything is opening, the whole complete file is opening. But I don't want to open full file. What I want to open only 34 line. I want to open the line which is containing 34 word, 34 number. So that time you can use this grep command. So the syntax is cat file name pipe. This is a pipe operator whenever you want to combine 2 command. So this is a cat command and grep command. That time you need to use pipe and the what I want to search 34. So that's why we got the output like this. Let's say you can also use grep -i whenever you want. Let's say I'm giving London, LONDON. Here you can see London is in capital letter, but I am giving London is in L is in small letter. So it will not, so even though if it is a small letter or a capital letter, it will take. But if I'm not using -i, what will happen? See, I didn't get any result over here. It's empty. Why? Because there is nothing like London here. It is there, but the L is in capital letter. So when you want something to be coming without worrying about the capital letter, small letter, you just mention -i. So this is all about the grep command, which is really helpful. Usually we are using this grep command to check whether my process related to the pmon is there in the Oracle database. If you use this command, you'll get some output. Right now I'm not getting any output because there is no process called pmon is running on. ps-ef will command the number of process which are available, which are running on this server. Now let's say I want to search only this process which is started with Wacom. So I can use ps-ef pipe grep wacom. See, I got the process. So it's very difficult to find out what is happening here. So if you want to filter based on something, based on the string pattern, you can use a grep command. I hope this is clear. Thank you.